Hi viewers, welcome to linuxhill.com. Today we are going to see about how to install MicroText Editor on Linux Mint 3. MicroText Editor is a free and open source text editor application. It's an easy to modern terminal based text editor used for Linux as well as other operating systems such as Windows, macOS and many more. Okay, now let us see how to install MicroText Editor on Linux Mint 3. Now first of all we have to download the MicroText Editor application using by wget command. The download is going on. The download is complete now. Then after downloading, we have to extract this download file. And now switch to the extracted directory. Then here we have to list out this directory. Now here we have to run the following command. Now here we can see MicroText Editor application. Now you can able to use this application. Now here we can see the version of MicroText Editor 1.4.0. Thus we have seen how to install MicroText Editor on Linux Mint 3. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Linux Help. If you still need more video, visit www.linuxhelp.com. For any queries to mail support@linuxhelp.com.